7 things you must avoid if you want to be rich. Let me be brutally honest. Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because of what they tolerate, repeat, and never question. If you want to be rich, not look rich, not feel rich, but actually build wealth, there are 7 things you must avoid at all costs. And here's the scary part. Almost everyone you know is doing at least 5 of them. Let's start 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer. The moment most people earn more money, they upgrade everything: bigger apartment, new car, better phone, more subscriptions, more treat-yourself moments. Lifestyle inflation is normalized. Raise equals reward bonus equals vacation promotion equals debt upgrade. But here's the truth: wealth is not built by how much you earn. It's built by how much you keep and invest. Millionaires don't get rich by inflating their lifestyle. They get rich by keeping their lifestyle boring longer than everyone else can tolerate. If your expenses rise at the same speed as your income, you will work your entire life and still feel broke. 2. Avoid consumer debt, especially normal debt. Car payments, buy now, pay later, credit cards, personal loans. Debt is marketed as freedom, but debt is not freedom. Debt is future income already spent. Every payment you owe is a tax on your future self. Rich people use debt to buy assets. Poor people use debt to buy validation. If it does not pay you back, if it does not increase your income, if it does not grow in value, it's stealing from your future. 3. Avoid trading time for money. Forever, most people are trapped in this equation. Hours worked equals income earned. This works when you are 20. It breaks when you are 40. It destroys you when you are 60. People are told, get a good job, work hard, retire later. But wealth is built when money works even when you don't. That means skills that scale businesses, investments, ownership. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you are one crisis away from financial stress. Rich people don't just work harder. They work once and get paid repeatedly. 4. Avoid impressing people who don't pay your bills. This one is brutal but necessary. Most financial decisions are emotional, not logical. People buy cars to feel respected, designer clothes to feel successful, fancy homes to look ahead, but looking rich and being rich are opposites. Real wealth is quiet. It does not need approval. It does not announce itself. If your financial choices are influenced by social media, family pressure, friends' opinions, you are paying for an image instead of building a future. Stop funding a lifestyle for people who won't rescue you if things collapse. 5. Avoid financial ignorance. This is not optional anymore. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most adults don't understand interest, don't understand investing, don't understand taxes, don't understand inflation, and they are proud of it. Saying I am bad with money is socially accepted. But it's the same as saying I am bad at survival. Wealth does not require genius. It requires basic financial literacy practiced consistently. You don't need complex strategies. You need budgeting, long-term investing, risk awareness, patience. Ignorance is expensive. Education is cheap or free. 6. Avoid short-term thinking. Most people want wealth fast. Fast money, fast results, fast wins. That mindset destroys wealth before it starts. Rich people think in decades. Poor people think in weekends. They ask, what will this decision cost me in 10 years? Does this help future me or hurt future me? If your financial plan is based on urgency, desperation, or shortcuts, you will repeat the same cycle forever. Wealth is boring, slow, and predictable. And that's why most people never get it. 7. Avoid waiting for the right time. This might be the most dangerous one. People wait until they earn more, until the economy improves, until they feel confident, until someone shows them how. But wealth rewards action, not perfection. There will never be a perfect market, a perfect salary, a perfect moment. The right time to build wealth was years ago. The second best time is today. Every year you delay, compounding works against you instead of for you. If you want to be rich, understand, this wealth is not about luck. It's about avoiding the same mistakes everyone else keeps repeating. Avoid lifestyle inflation, consumer debt. Time-only income impressing others' financial ignorance short-term thinking waiting for permission. Do this long enough, you don't just get rich, get free. If this video helped you think differently about money, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still stuck in the cycle. Your future self will thank you.